Assalamualaikum and hello to all. Today our group will present about case study for computer architecture. This is our team. We have Zahirul Ashraf bin Yusri. Next is Nai Arawan, anak lelaki Najwan. Thirdly is me, Muhammad Arizina bin Muhammad Zafar. Lastly is Syafiq Syamil Sakif bin Khairuddin. This is our list of content. We have introduction at page 4, question and answer from page 5 to 32, conclusion on page 23. Introduction. Computer architecture is the foundation that connects hardware, software and system operations to ensure efficient computing performance. In today's digital era, the integration of operating system, computer networks and assembly language programming plays a vital role in supporting modern technology. The operating system is function as the backbone that manages system resources, security and process control. Networking, on the other hand, enables communication and data sharing between devices, ensuring seamless connectivity across different departments or organizations. Assembly language programming provides a low-level control of hardware operation, allowing efficient execution of instructions in microprocessor. Through this case study, our group collaboratively explore key concepts related to security and protection services in operating system, network topology designed for a company, and the execution of instruction sets in microprocessor. This study helps us understand how each component interacts to ensure that computing system operates securely, efficiently, and reliably. Question 1A. Security and Protection Services. An organization that handles sensitive data depends on operating system security frameworks to maintain confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. The administrator is tasked with configuring firewalls, access permissions, and intrusion detection system to secure the computing environment. Question 1 Roman. Define the concept of security and protection services in operating system. Security and protection services are mechanisms provided by the operating system to ensure confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data and resources. They protect system components against unauthorized access, modification, and destruction through authentication, access control, encryption, and monitoring. Question 1 to Roman. Describe the authentication, authorization, and encryption mechanism that enhance system security. Authentication, verify user or process identity user using passwords, biometrics, token or certificates. Next is authorization. Determine user permission through policy like DSC, MSC, and RBAC. Lastly, encryption. Protect data confidentiality by converting information into unreadable form using algorithms such as AES or RSA for storage and communication. Question 1.3 Roman. Discuss how access control policies and privilege management protect system resources from misuse. Access control policy define who can access resources and what actions they can perform, enforcing least privilege. Privilege management ensure user and process operate with only necessary rights, preventing unauthorized or accidental misuse of file, memory, or device. Question 1 for Roman. Explain the importance of implementing auditing, monitoring, and backup strategies to prevent and recover from security breaches. Auditing and monitoring detect and record unauthorized activities for analysis and accountability. Backup strategies ensure data recovery after failure or attacks, reducing downtime and data loss. Together, they strengthen resilience and support forensic investigation.
Hello and good morning. My name is Nairawan and I'm here to present case study computer architecture question 1B. A medium-sized company named Technova Solution is expanding its operation across 3 floors. Each floor houses different departments. Each floor 1 administration and human resources. It consists of 5 workers using laptop and 1 printer. Floor 2, software development and R&D. It consists of 10 workers using high-spec desktop. two printers, and one server. Floor 2. Customer support and sales consists of 5 workers with desktop. Choose any network topology and visualize the network topology for each floor for TechNova solution with diagram. Before we go to the answer, we know topology in networking means the arrangement or layout of how computer and other devices are connected in a network. In simple words, it shows how data flow between the devices, like the map or structure of the network. In the first answer for the floor 1, administration and human resource, which consists of 5 workers using laptop and 1 printer. In this answer, we use topology for the answer. I mean, in this question, we use topology for the answer. Why we use topology is because it's easy to add another device, and it also cannot be like, I mean, when one of the devices have an error, it will not affect other devices. Oh, and I forgot. In the topology, the one of the outside is called nodes or the end device. But in the middle one, like switch or hub, is called central devices. For the flow through software development and R&D, which consists of 10 workers using high-spec desktop, 2 printer, and 1 server. We It's the same reason why we use that topology, because we can add another device easily, and when one of the devices have an error, it's easy to settle down it. And it also, when the error happens, other devices still working. That's why we use star topology for these houses. The third floor, customer support and sale, which only consists 5 desktops. In, in this floor, we also use star topology. It's the same reason, because we can easily add another device, and when it's one of it have an error, we can settle down it easily, and when the error happen, other devices are still safe and still working. Okay, this topology is reliable because each device connect independently to a central switch, making maintenance easy. And in the middle this, we also can use hub as the central device. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Nama saya Syafiq Syamil Syakif bin Khairuddin. Hari ini saya akan present tentang uh, tajuk Computer Architecture. Sekarang saya akan present question 2A. Describe instruction set, machine and assembly language. Instruction set is a set of guidelines provided by the process maker that enables CPU to carry out a number of functions, including data transfer, computation, and program control. It facilitates the proper iteration of each program instruction by as a bridge between hardware and software. Next, machine language is the simplest language that computer utilize directly. It's represented by a combination of the digit 0 and 1 or binary form. All programming is based on this language, which is slowly recognized by the CPU and which each binary instruction denotes a distinct operation. Number three, assembly language is a low-level language that replaces binary code that is hard for people to graph with symbol or short code manually like move, add, and sub. Program used to create programs that speak directly to hardware, which assembler subsequently convert into machine language. Seterusnya adalah question 2B. The microprocessor contains several groups of instructions designed to write source code. Discuss the group of instructions below with a relay example. Arithmetic instruction, data transfer movement, logical instruction. First, arithmetic instruction. Arithmetic instruction are used to perform an mathematical operation in a program such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of data. These operations are essential for any calculation in a program. Common arithmetic instructions include add, sub, mulu, and divu. No, yang seterusnya adalah data transfer movement instruction. Data transfer or movement instruction are used to move or copy data from one location to another within the microprocessor. This instruction allow data to be transferred between register, memory, and input-output port. And last, logical instruction. Logical instruction perform bitwise operation and are useful in decision making and data manipulation. They operate on individual bit of data using logic operations such as AND or XOR and OR.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Zahirul Ashraf, and I will be doing question 2C for computer architectures case study. So question 2C is find D1 value after instruction execution below, given that D0 is 00000015 and D1 is 00000055. So question 1 is move.b D0 to D1. And the answer is 00000015 because for move.byte, we move the last two numbers of D0 and move it into D1. Now for question 2, at .b 25 D1, the answer is 0000007A because D1 55 plus 25, 5 plus 5 equals to 10, 5 plus 2 equals to 7, because it is in hexadecimal, 10 is equal to A, and 7 remains. So the final answer is 0000007A. For question 3, sub.b D0 D1, the answer is 00000040. This is because D1 55 minus D0, 15. 5 minus 5 equals to 0. 5 minus 1 equals to 4. Thus, the answer is 0.0000040. For question 4, mulu.w d0 d1, we have, to make it easier, I will be converting 55 and 15 into base 10 to make it easier to calculate. So 55 base 16 in base 10 is 85. And 15 base 16 is 21 base 10. So 85 times 21 equals to 1,785 base 10. So 1,785 in base 10 is equals to 606F9 base 16. So we put that in D1, so it becomes 0.00006F9. All right, for question 5, du.w 0.005 D1. So do is we 55 because that's D1 divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. So minus 5, 0 is down, 5. So this makes this 1 goes to 5. So then 5 minus 5 equals to 0. So the final value is 11. So D1 after is 0.0000011. For question 7, or.byte D0 to D1, we do the same thing as we did with question 6. We get the OR truth table this time, and then we change the two values to be from of D1 and D0 to be binary. So for D0, 1, 5, 15, to binary becomes 0.001, 0.101, and for 55 hexadecimal to binary becomes 0.101, 0.101. Now we can use the OR truth table and compare these. So 1 is 1, 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1, 0, 0 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1, 0, 0 is 0, 0 and 1 is 1, 0 and 0 is 0. So this is the final answer in binary, and as when we convert it into hexadecimal again, we get 55. So the final answer is 0.0000055. And lastly, for question 8, we have exclusive OR.byte 25 to D1. So similar to the previous questions, we first have to get the XOR truth table. Then we have to convert the two values into binary. So 25 hexadecimal to binary is 0010, 0101, and 55 from hexadecimal to binary is 0101, 0101. So now we can compare these two values here, using the XOR truth table. So 1 and 1 become 0. 0, 0 is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. And this is the final answer in binary, but we want it in hexadecimal, so we convert it back into hexadecimal. So 0111 equals to 7 in hexadecimal, and 0000 is, of course, 0. So the value of D1 after the instruction becomes 00000070. That is all for me. Thank you.